Hello everyone, this is Augustine from the Business Intelligence Agency. This is the 31st tutorial in this series. And in this part of the tutorial, I'm going to discuss about something we call filtering items list. So what do you mean by filtering the items list? Items are simply products that you sell. So simply filtering items list refers to filtering the products that you deal with. For example, you may have a list of 1,000 products that you sell, but from those products of 1,000, you only need to use 200 of them. So how do you, but you don't want to delete the other 800. So how do you ensure that the other 800 are just stay, but they're idle, but the active items that you use, you get them, and you get them to use each and every time you need them. So in order to do that, you'll be simply filtering those products that you don't need from the products that you need from your list of products without necessarily deleting those products. So how do we achieve that act of filtering the products? Simply press on these three dots on the top right. Then first of all, let us just go to the sales, then sales arena. You can see the only product that I have is the Nutraceuticals, which belong to a category which I believe is a dietary supplement category. So let us go to we want to filter out this item. We don't want to use this item any longer. So let us go to the three dots on the top right, press on the settings, then filter items list. So you can see that I can view all these categories of items. So I may decide that I no longer want to view items that belong in a particular category. I don't want to view items that belong to the category dietary supplement category. So I'll simply select the category that I don't want to view items from them. So, but I want to view items from antibiotics and from pain relievers. So once I have remained with the category that I want to deal with, I press the save button. So after doing that, I simply go back. After going back, you will see that I can no longer view that product of Nutraceuticals because it belongs to a category that I've filtered out. So even if I go to the stock, add or remove stock, it's not available. Stock value, nothing. Daily stock status, nothing. Stock statements, nothing. Because the only item that I was selling is a nutraceutical and it belongs to a dietary supplements category drugs. So, but when I go back and return that category, filter in, settings, filter items list, then return it, dietary supplement and category, then I save, then go back. You can now see that I can now view again those same items that are filtered out. So that's how you filter in and filter out items. By filtering them, it simply means you are removing those categories from your viewable categories of items, meaning that you no longer deal with those categories. And by filtering, it's only you, the current user, who will be affected. Other users won't be affected unless they decide to also filter their categories on their accounts. So that's all about filtering items list. So I really hope you've understood. Let us meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.